Hi, welcome. I am Rachel Lynn Teigen, president and founder of Etched Marketing and Etched Marketing Academy. And today we're going to start at the beginning with 3 SEO tips for beginners. So if you're new to SEO, search engine optimization, or trying to learn how to get customers to find you on Google, this training is going to help you. Do me a favor. Go ahead and like this video if you find it helpful. Subscribe to the channel so that you know what's coming out when new videos come, and you'll always be in the know. So what I want to talk to you today about are 3 SEO tips for beginners. When you're just starting to learn SEO or search engine optimization, it can feel a little bit overwhelming. I get it, I understand. So what I want you to do are just start with the basics. Number 1, I want you to choose one keyword for each page. And it's very important that you only use one keyword. The reason is that Google is only going to rank you 2 times maximum for each keyword that you use. That means if you use the same keyword on every page, you hurt your potential. You only are able to rank those 2 pages. So, one keyword for your page. Then I want you to make sure that it's a keyword that you can rank for. Now, I teach an in-depth ranking determination process, all of that in my Simple SEO course. So if you want to learn exactly how to do it, leave a comment below and I'll get you information on Simple SEO or DM me on Instagram. But in the interim, what you can do is look at the keyword that you're thinking about using. And then go to Google and see who's ranking on Google on page 1, because page 1 is the only part that counts. Nobody goes to page 2. You've got to be on page 1. Who's ranking on page 1, especially near the top of the page? Because if those websites are really similar to you, you probably have a pretty good chance of ranking. If you're there and you're looking at really big websites, brands that you know because they have hundreds of stores, they're at the mall, they're huge e-commerce retailers, etc., you're not going to rank. You need to find a different keyword because everything that you do, it's not going to work, okay? So I'm not trying to be mean. I don't want to burst your bubble. None of that. I just want to save you the time and the frustration that so many small business owners feel when they're trying to learn SEO. So start by choosing a keyword. If you want a little more information on SEO keywords, I do have a video that's going to walk through what they are and how we use them. Make sure you watch that. Choose one keyword. Then you're going to want to optimize for that keyword. That means you're going to want to create a title tag. A title tag is going to help both Google and your consumer better understand what your blog post or website page is about. There are best practices rules for that title tag. I've got a video on title tags that you can watch right here that'll help you understand how to write one following the best practices rules. Number 3 is I want you to write a meta description. So that is going to, again, help both the search engine and the potential customer. The meta description and the title tag are both going to show up with your Google listing in the search results. So I've got information as well on meta descriptions. You've got a quick video that'll walk you through what they are and how you use them. Okay, so that's it. That's just the very beginning to get you started with SEO. Choose a keyword that you can rank for. Use it in your title tag and your meta description. There's more that you can do, but this will get you started. If you want to learn what else you can do, there's a couple things. One is the how to get started with SEO, the Simple SEO plan video right here. Number 2, you can sign up for my free SEO training on how to be found on Google so that when customers are searching, they find you and not the competition. The link for that is in the comments. That's my free class. Or number 3, I have a free SEO quick start guide that walks you through what these elements are, how to write them, and what they look like in Google. So go for 1, go for 2, go for all 3. They're all there to help you learn. Let me know what questions you have about how to get started with SEO. You can find me here, leave a comment, or you can find me over on Instagram. Go ahead and DM me. I am here to answer your questions. My job is to help you learn. All right, I hope you found this video super helpful. If you did, do me a favor, like it. Make sure you've subscribed so you know when the next video comes out, and then leave me a comment. Let me know what you're getting started with. All right, I'll see you soon. Thanks.